Okay, hello guys. We see some progress here. The first time we tried this is unsuccessful. Wala. Hindi niya totally zero. So ngayon, nag-try ulit kami. Nag-practice ulit kami toto. Ayan ha. Medyo curious siya sa boto. Yun! Go, go! Go! No, no, no. Go. Yeah! Good dog! Good dog! You ay, good dog! A good dog! Good dog! Look at that! No? No, no. Ang galing. No, 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 no. No. Good dog. Look, guys. We see some progress. Good dog. So, next thing we need to do is continuous practice, never-ending practice. At least, may nasimulan na tayo. At, of course, hindi natin kaya i-video lahat yung session namin ni Toto. But to tell you, this is the second time. Yung first time is walang nangyari, totally zero, nakaka-disappoint. Ngayon, naisipan ko siyang subukin ulit. At pinapakita ko yung paa ko, pinipindot ko yung button. At nakopya niya. Kanina bago ako nag-video, twice niyang nakopya. So, ngayon, nakita niyo naman. Ang kailangan lang nito talaga is continuous practice. Then, the next level. Play. Joel. That's my name. Alright. See you next time.